Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off haptic on successful authentication on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we scroll down and then in here tap on Accessibility. Next, go down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Face ID and Attention. Next, go down to the Haptics section and tap on Haptic on Successful Authentication. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And it said that play a haptic when Face ID successfully unlocks iPhone, authorizes Apple Pay, and verifies iTunes and App Store purchases. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.